A hurricane bears down on the coast. For one family, the storm is only the beginning of their night's terror. Lila hammers a final board across the window, glancing nervously at the swelling surf.
We'll be safe if we stick together. Just stay away from the doors and windows.
As darkness falls and the storm rages, the family huddles close, unaware that something else has washed ashore. Sam checks his phone, frustration tightening his jaw as he realizes there's no signal.
No service. We're cut off until morning.
But the wind isn't the only thing scratching at their door. Mia's eyes widen. She pulls Lucas back, whispering,
Did you hear that? It sounded like someone outside.
Lightning splits the sky, exposing a nightmare. A corpse, reanimated and hungry, drawn in by the storm. Lucas stares, frozen in terror, as the zombie presses its decaying face to the glass, hungry eyes fixed on the family.
Mom, there's someone out there!
Trapped between the hurricane and the horror outside, the family's only hope is to outlast both. Sam drags a heavy dresser against the door, determined to protect his family. Lila grabs a fire poker, her hands shaking but her eyes fierce. The zombie pounds against the glass, cracks spider webbing outward as rain and wind howl around the house.
Everyone, upstairs, now.
Above the waterline, but not above fear, they hold their breath and listen. Lila holds her children close, her voice barely above a whisper, as thunder rattles the windows and shadows flicker under the door. The zombie, dripping and relentless, begins to climb the stairs, each footstep squelching on the soaked wood. As the storm peaks, so does their nightmare. The undead intruder is relentless, and escape is a race against time. Sam gestures silently for Lila and the kids to hide in the closet, his eyes steely with determination as the pounding grows louder.
If anything happens, don't come out until I say.
We're going to make it through this. Just stay quiet.
Sunlight streams through broken windows. The storm has passed. The family slowly emerges from hiding. The camera pans to show the battered house and the motionless zombie outside, washed away by the receding tide. When daylight breaks, so does the spell of terror. The storm has passed, but the memory of their night's ordeal will never fade. Mia clings to her mother, looking out at the calm sea.
Is it over, Mom?
Lila nods, tears in her eyes, pulling her family into a hug.
We're safe now, together.